My name is Alex Greenstein. I'm an orthopedic trauma surgeon who specializes in orthopedic trauma and post-traumatic joint reconstruction here at the Texas Joint Institute. So I grew up in the Metro Detroit area and went to medical school in Detroit itself at Wayne State University. I chose orthopedic trauma because I'm drawn to the complexity of the cases and the ability to make an immediate impact in a patient's life. I also really enjoy the multidisciplinary nature of the field itself, constantly collaborating with everyone else in the hospital. It's really fulfilling and gratifying to watch patients go from probably the worst day of their life to getting back to enjoying the things that they otherwise want to be doing. I really like to teach patients about their injury. Oftentimes I'm meeting people on the worst day of their life. There's a lot of things going on, there's a lot of moving pieces, and oftentimes they're very scared. I try to talk to them first and foremost about what the plan is in the near future, and then we come up together with something that they can understand their injury, what's to come, what the expected time frame is of the recovery period, and hopefully get them back on track to where they're going to be living a normal life.